Okay, in this example, I'm just going to show you how to install Google Chrome. Now, a lot of you might already have Google Chrome, but I'm going to take you through it anyway. So I'm going to go into my default browser, which is Edge, and what I'll do is just go to google.co.uk and type in install Google Chrome. And in this case, there's quite a few links down here. In fact, there's loads of links. I'm just going to go to the top one. I know it's an ad, but I'll just go in there anyway. Google Chrome, download it today. And you'll see that the immediate button comes up. So it's a really simple task. You can click on OK for the cookies and download Chrome. Now what you should see is at the bottom left that the Chrome setup file downloads. And then it should open up. And then click on open file. And just allow it to make changes, yes, and it will connect to the internet. And it will take a wee minute. At this point I'll just pause the process to save you sitting for 3 minutes watching a download. And now you'll see that it's installing. And Chrome will open up. There it is there. Okay, so I will just close that for the time being and close my browser. And what you'll see is Chrome should appear on your desktop, but also if you go in, you can search for Chrome in here as well, and it will appear. You can open it up, and there it is. Now I previously had Chrome on the machine, that's why I've got some extensions, etc. But that's how you download Google Chrome.